What's up, everybody? I'm back for another YouTube today. We're going over to Larn. I'm going to show y'all the beach over there. So I'm at Pattaya, and you catch a ferry boat over to Larn. That's where I'm headed to right now. You can catch a ferry, you can catch a speedboat to get over there. It's about 30 minutes from here. So it's a nice island over there. So that's what I'm headed at. All right, follow me for a good day. We was at the Tiger Park the other day. And now we're going to Larn, do some beach activities. All right, follow me. Keep following me. Good morning. Keep following me. Yeah, it's beautiful out here already, y'all. I was trying to beat that sun, but shoot, it get hot. You see all these speedboats out here today? Subscribe to my channel. Keep following me. Give me something to do in Thailand. All that crazy stuff going on there in the Middle East right now. I've been over there, so I'm chilling now. But keep subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna keep showing y'all everything about Thailand. Alright, y'all, this is a ferry. We're getting on now. This is a ferry right here. We done fell off as much. Yeah, this is a ferry right here. We on here now. Hope we can get a seat. Should be a seat. You ain't that crowded right now. But later on, it'll be packed. Put one of these life jackets on. And them ferries be going down. Hey, keep following me, subscribe to my channel, keep following me. Peace. Larn today. We're heading over here to Larn on the ferry, y'all. And I take the speedboat back. It costs 30 baht. And that's where we headed at right now. Subscribe to my channel. Keep following me, subscribe. And we're walking off here now, y'all. We was on the ferry. Like I say, it costs 30 baht to get on the ferry to come over here to Larn. But we're walking off right now if I can jump off this mug. So we at Larn right now, y'all. So this is Larn. See how the water's clear, beautiful over here. So that's where I'm at now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep it going. I'm gonna keep it going over here in Thailand for y'all. This is all the people coming off now, off the ferry. Look at all them people coming off. Like I say, this is the cheapest way to, it costs 30 baht. And the speedboat costs like 300 baht, which is like $9. And the ferry costs like $1. I might go back on the speedboat, we'll see. So now, it's got like 6 different beaches over here you can go to. So I'm gonna walk up here and catch a taxi, a motorbike taxi, take me over to the other beach. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Peace. Hey y'all, this is a nice beach over here. That's what I'm saying. Over in Larn, this is a nice beach, better than Pattaya Beach. So if you come to Thailand, you gotta come to this beach because it's nice. But I'm gonna get that jet ski and and go out there and do the sea walk. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, they out here today, y'all. Nice. Don't forget to subscribe now. Alright. I'm at Larn right now. Y'all, the water ain't too bad today, the jet ski. So I'm gonna jet ski and do some sea walk. I need the water for y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel now. Alright. Peace. My Navy travel. This is all the activities you can do out here, right? So I'm doing the sea walk right now. I'm gonna do the sea walker underneath the water, okay? Now when I get out there, they'll take the photos and the video at the water. And I'm a jet ski when I come back, all right? So come to Thailand, I'll bring you out here, all right? Tell them come to Thailand, come to Thailand, look at it. Thank you, cop. Y'all, it's nice out here. Look at it. I'm going to jet ski now. and he'll do the video and the jet ski for like $1,030. So you gonna pay. That ain't bad though. You get 30,000 baht, which is $30 for 30 minutes. It is nice out here, y'all. This beach is nice on this side. All right, come to Thailand. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna leave my stuff over here. Peace. I know, right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel now. Get to subscribe to my channel, y'all. So I did the jet ski and I did the sea walk today, sea walker. That was good. So you come to Thailand and I'm gonna hook you up, I'm gonna bring you out here. Look at all this. Come out here and have fun all day like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel now. He professional right there, y'all. He got the drone, look at him. Good drone. Yeah, he got it going on. All right. It's been a good day today, and YouTuber. So y'all come out, come to Thailand, and I'll take care of you. All right, peace. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. YouTube out here today, y'all. YouTubers. It's nice out here. Okay, get her. They getting their groove on out here. Oh yeah. We drinking a coconut and a chain beer, okay? And,
coconut chain
yeah, thanks for everything, okay? It was good today. Thank you. Okay. If you come to Thailand, come to see them right here, okay? All right, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Today, y'all, it's been a good beach day. Then you can come over here and buy some clothes too. So if you ain't got nothing to wear, they got all kinds of swimsuits and everything out here though. So I'm headed back to catch the ferry on back now. Thanks for watching today. It's one of the beaches in Thailand, y'all. And you can rent a motorbike too. See all these motorbikes you can rent. I'm walking down the street with no shirt on. You can do that in Thailand. I know, right? On the beach. Respect though, on the beach. All right, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Like I say, if you ain't got nothing to wear, they got everything over here for you, all right? You don't gotta worry about that. All right, have a good day. Subscribe.